So if you watched my last video, you know I was waiting for my Miranda MIGO bottles, and they finally came. And if you want to know a lot about these bottles, you could probably go to Miranda's site and she could give you a lot more information since she's the creator. And as she would say, this is my show, gosh darn. But I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do with them and why I bought them. I think they're a great idea. I said in the last video, you can put hot water in them. You can clean them easy to pour any kind of mixes in them because they come off at the shoulder. But would they do everything I needed to do? It was a gamble. Whenever you buy new gear, you don't know till you get your hands on whether it's going to work for you or not. So the first thing they had to do was fit into my Aqua 40, my Durston Aqua 40. That's my pack of choice. It had to fit in those water bottle side pockets. And I put my small tripod in there. So it all had to fit, and it did. Very good. The other thing is, I said I would probably use this for cold soaking and eating out of because it's got such a wide opening. But I've been carrying these Ziploc containers. My spoon was not going to get down in there and get that food. So I bought the titanium long-handled spoon, and it's going to work just fine in there. And would it ride in there? Yes, it does. So far, so good. So the other thing I'm going to do, besides just changing water bottles and, not having to recycle smart water bottles anymore, and these have all the other benefits besides not having to use a lot of wasting plastics. The other thing I told you I bought for $1.50, I bought this really good Tokes 750. And my 550, when I did carry a stove, and I haven't really carried a stove much lately, but here's my thought. So this was nice because everything fit in. Stove, fuel canister. I don't think you can get much more efficient and cheaper if you use a stove every day than this setup right here. I think it's perfect. But I got into cold soaking, so I just don't need a hot meal that often, or hot water for coffee or hot chocolate or whatever. But I said I do miss it. So my plan is on the next section of the Arizona Trail, which I'll do next week, I'm going back down to Calvin and then coming north through the Alamo Canyon and about halfway to Roosevelt Lake, and then I'll cut across the Superstition Wilderness, and it'll bring me back here where my wife will be at Lost Dutchman State Park. And during that trip, I'm going to test all this stuff, but I'm going to take this 750 with me, and it's going to replace this. So not just weight, but real estate in my pack makes a lot of difference to me. And, I've got a smaller pack now. Everything I use fits in it, but if I can gain a little, I will. I like these because, I can use them for a drinking cup, but I can do all that with this 750 and then have the option, if I want to have a hot meal, to boil some water. The only thing it needed to do, had to hold my stroopwafels. I like my stroopwafels. Not just because they taste good, but because I like to say stroopwafel. And they fit perfectly in here. I won't get 18. I get 18 in this thing, but I don't need 18. I'm usually out. I usually carry about a week's worth of food, and I'd like to have 2 every day. But whatever I can fit in here, maybe 12 will be just fine. And this will take up less real estate in my pack and have the option to boil water. So how am I going to boil water? I'm not carrying a stove, and I'm not carrying that gas. And, I've tried everything over the years, including solid fuel tabs, and they leave a little residue. For years I used a zip stove, which was a fire burner. I've tried them all. And again, this is the most efficient thing out there, hands down. But for someone like me who might want to just have, you know, boil 2 cups of water maybe every few days or something, I'm just going to take some fuel tabs, and I'm going to buy just a little titanium, you know, 2-ounce, 3-ounce stove, which just is really 3 flat pieces of titanium that hook together with a little tray in it for the fuel tabs. And, you know, it'll take 8-10 minutes for those to boil 2 cups of water, 16 ounces of water. But I don't even have to do that half the time. If I'm just having a meal, I can do it with less than a cup. So anyway, I'm going to try that and change this up a little bit and see how it works. And I'll let you know. Keep smiling.